Carla B. Zoltowski is an assistant professor of engineering practice in the Elmore Family School of Electrical and Computer Engineering and, by courtesy, the School of Engineering Education, and director of the Vertically Integrated Projects program within the College of Engineering at Purdue, for which she played a leadership role in its establishment as a college-wide program. She has mentored hundreds of student design and research teams. Her engineering education research impacts undergraduate education more broadly through her focus on the professional formation of engineers and how to make engineering, and specifically electrical and computer engineering, more diverse and inclusive.
One of the challenges that I faced in my career early on was that I actually had triplets while I was pursuing my Ph.D. And then one of the triplets was diagnosed with autism. Then it actually gave me a passion to do work that really found the balance and kind of bridged, aspects of related to people with autism, people with disabilities, assistive technology, and my technical work. I've had an opportunity to mentor hundreds of students, undergraduate students, in their work. And one of the things I love is when I see them learn and develop confidence and be able to do something that they didn't know that they were able to do.
For leadership in developing applied, multidisciplinary team learning opportunities for engineering students, and for promoting professional development education, engineering ethics education, and inclusive teaching and mentoring, we present the 2023 IEEE Computer Society Mary Kenneth Keller Computer Science and Education Undergraduate Teaching Award to Carla Zoltowski.